Welcome to the feature video of PrestaShop Composite Product Builder module. This module is developed by FME Modules, a leading PrestaShop development company having more than 140 modules in its catalog. Let's see what this module can do for you. Enable your customers to create personalized product bundles by selecting from various options like colors, sizes, or components. Perfect for businesses selling highly customizable products such as custom PCs, custom suits, or gift bundles. Our module offers a user-friendly, step-by-step process that guides customers through creating their composite products. The module integrates with your store's inventory, ensuring that only available products can be selected for the bundle. You have full control over the layout and design of the composite product page, ensuring it fits seamlessly with your store's theme. Now, let's explore how this works on the front end. Let's click on this customizable PC product. As you can see, the customer can select different components, each with multiple product options to choose from. Once a component is selected, the user can further choose its variations. As they make their selections, the total price updates in real time. Our module also offers multiple layout options. In this example, we have used accordion style. You can also use the step-by-step layout, where the customer selects each component one step at a time. Additionally, you can display component options using radio buttons or a drop-down list, providing flexibility in how customers interact with the builder. Now let's take a look at the back-end configuration for this module. To start, it's recommended that you first create the customizable product along with all its components. In this example, we've already set up a custom PC product and created separate products for each of its components. Next, go to your main product, then navigate to the Modules section and click on Product Builder. Here, you can see the components we've already created. You can also select the layout for how the builder will appear on the front end. Now let's add a new component called PC Case. First, we'll give it a description. To add products for this component, you can select individual products, entire categories, or use product tags. In this case, we'll choose specific products and search for the tower cases we previously added. Next, you can customize how users will make their selection. Choose from radio buttons, a drop-down menu, or thumbnails. You can also set minimum and maximum quantities for this component and make it mandatory if required. Once that's done, the PC Case component is added and ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact us on our website.